이상해요. 이상해요. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day, here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 이상하다. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 332. 이상하다. This is pronounced as a four-syllable word. The first syllable is I, second syllable is sang, third syllable is ha, and fourth syllable is da. Pronounce it with me. 이상하다. 이상하다. The word 이상하다 is a descriptive verb which means to be strange. Again, 이상하다 means to be strange. Now, how do you write 이상하다 in Hangul? This is composed of four syllables. For the first syllable, I, we need to draw first a no sound or placeholder iyang, followed by an I character. For the second syllable, sang, we need to draw first a siot character, followed by an a character, followed by an iyang character. For the third syllable, ha, we need to draw first a hiot character, followed by an a character. And then for the last syllable, da, we need to draw first a dikit character, followed by an a character. So that's four syllables in all. And after that, we just need to combine the hangul for each of these four syllables to form the hangul of the word 이상하다. So here are just some more information about 이상하다. So 이상하다 is considered a root verb since it has da at its ending, and it means to be strange. So when it is conjugated, an example here is 이상해요, and it means strange or the present state of being strange. So 이상하다 means to be strange, and 이상해요 is strange or the present tense of 이상하다. And with that, you've just learned 이상하다. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 322 to 331. But don't forget our word for today, word number 332, 이상하다, which means to be strange. The first word for our review is word number 331, it's 별로, which means not really. Next word is tuk, which means porridge. Next word is 갑자기, which means that was sudden. Next word is 요리, which means cooking. Next word is 쓰다, which means to write. Next word is television, which means television or TV. Next word is palta, which means to sell. Next word is 끝나다, which means to finish or to end. Next word is 빨라요, which means faster or hurry up. And the last word for our review is word number 322, 상자, which means box. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.